Yes. So, Srikal students, so today we'll be doing step deviation method to find the mean. Now, let's say we have been given this data, percentage of female teachers, number of states or union territories, where the percentage of female teachers are in this range. So this data 15 to 25, 6 means that there are 6 states or union territories where percentage of female teachers are in the range of 15 to 25%. So students, as we have been doing, this is our class interval, right? We are also able to observe that class size is all same and class size H is equal to how much? 15 to 25, that is 10. Upper limit 25 minus lower limit 15. Class size is same, that is equal to 10. In step deviation method, we can also do sums where class size is not same. We will be doing one sum where class size is not same. So first we will find out students xi. So we know what is xi. Xi is the mean of these two values. So that is lower limit plus upper limit divided by 2. So 15 plus 25, 15 plus 25 is 40. 40 divided by 2, that is equal to 20. That is xi. Right now it is x1. So what is I? This is this rows, right? You can also say the first observation here. I is equal to 1. I 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So total rows we have are 7. Or total observations are 7. Okay. So guys, first we find out xi. We know this is the mean or the midpoint of this, that is 20. Simply add h in this. You will get mean point of 25 and 35. Similarly, you can simply quickly complete this. This is 40. This is 50. And then you have 60, 70 and 80. 70 and 80, right? So you are done with the xi. Once you are done with the fi xi students, and now what you do, so uh, mm, you will find what is a, you will assume something to be a assumed mean a, and that you will subtract from xi to find out the di, just like we have been doing in the assumed mean method. So you can assume anyone. So any value in the middle. So let's say we are assuming 50, So once we assume 50, we will subtract 50 from all the values of xi minus 50. Don't do the reverse. Don't subtract xi from 50. So what will be d1? So d1 would be x1 minus 50. So x1 minus 50 is 20 minus 50, that is equal to minus 30. What will be d2? So d2 will be 30 minus 50 would be minus 20. You see that the pattern, you are again, you simply add 10, the class size, you will get the next value. So it will be minus 10 here. 50 minus 50 is 0. 60 minus 50 is 10, or you simply add 10, 10. So this will be 20 and 30. Right. We are done with the di. In assumed mean method, we used to directly multiply di with the fi, if you remember. Not now. In step deviation method, this is the point which is different, which makes step deviation method different from the assumed mean method. Now we will be calculating something which we know as ui. So what is ui? Students, ui is your di divided by h. Okay. So here in this case, students, the h class size is same in all the intervals. Sometimes it is not same. Then you choose any value of h, which you find is, common factor of most of the di's, right? This is the clue I'm giving you. You find h, which you think is common factor of all the values that you can, then you can divide all the values with h to get ui. Here we know the common factor is 30, 20, 10, 10, 20, 30. Common factor is 10. So we will divide all the values of di with h to get, this is u1. So this will be u2, u3, u4, u5, u6, u7, right? You need not write this u1, u2. I'm just telling you for understanding. So u1 would be di by h. So di d1 is minus 30 divided by 10. So this will be equal to minus 3. All right, very simple numbers you're getting. Then u2 would be minus 2 minus 1. 0 divided by 10 is 1. 0. 10 divided by 10 is 1. 20 divided by 10 is 2. Similarly, you will get 3 here. Or you get simple numbers. Once you get ui, students, what you do, you now in direct method we used to multiply xi with fi, right? In assumed mean method used to multiply di with fi. In step deviation method you will be multiplying ui with fi. Just remember that. All right, so we'll be doing this. We'll be quickly multiplying our what we'll be multiplying our fi with this ui to get FIUI. So what will be FIUI? You see, this is our FI, F1, 6, and U1 is minus 3. So 6 minus 6 into minus 3 is minus 18. All right. Now 11 into minus 2 is minus 22. And then we'll be getting F3, U3. That is 7 into minus 1 is minus 7. 0 multiplied by anything is 0. And then 4 multiplied by 1 is 4. 2 multiplied by 2 is again 4. 1 multiplied by what is u7? We have not written u7. So this was I think 20 divided by 10 was 2. Then 30 divided by 10 would be 3. Right? So 3 into 1 is 3. Very good. Now students, you calculate summation FIUI. So you see that when you calculate them, you know, minus 18, minus 22, this is minus 40, this is minus 47, right? So this is 4 plus 4, 8, 8 plus 3, 11. So you subtract this from 47, so you get 6, 3, minus 36, right? So minus 36 is the value of summation Fi ui, right? Now what you will be doing next, you have calculated summation fi ui, right students? Now you will be calculating summation fi. So what is summation fi? That is total of all the frequencies. So when you calculate them, 60, 11 plus 6 is 17, plus 7, 24, 28, 28, then plus 4, 28, 32, 32 plus 3, 35. So this is 35. Right? Now students, I'll be telling you the formula, how you, once again, how you calculate the mean by step deviation method. Just one second. Yes. So mean by step deviation method, students, this is mean x bar. Sorry, you know, this is my x bar will be equal to what? Well, this is my a, that is my assumed mean, a plus now summation, this summation fi ui, right, divided by what? Divided by, yes students, this thing divided by summation fi. We will be always dividing by summation fi. Okay, but this into h. So students, it's very important, you are multiplying only this thing by h. You are not multiplying whole thing by h, right? This will be giving you mean. So students, here I get x bar that is mean is equal to, what was our assumed mean? Our assumed mean was, you see, 50, xi minus a, xi minus a. So a was our assumed mean, if you remember. So that is 50. I'll write 50 here. Right, okay, 50 plus, now what is summation FIUI? That is minus 36. I'll write like this only, minus 36 divided by, what is summation FI? Well, that is 35. It is always better whenever you get a negative value, put a bracket to remove any confusion into H. H I have taken as 10. All right. So guys, this will be equal to 50, right? So this will come in minus, so this will be 360 divided by 35. So if you calculate this, students, 360 divided by 35, just calculate how much is coming. 300 and, so 360 divided by 35, you do this, you add this with 30, with 50, you get, so you please do this whole calculation. So you get this is equal to 39.71. You please check it's right or wrong. 39.71. Very right. So these are basically, what is this? What is the unit of this? So had these been marks, the unit of mean is marks. Now this is basically percentage of female teachers. So this will mean is also percentage of female teachers. Now this percentage of female teachers is applicable to what? Possibly this is a country. So these are so many union territories of a country. So for the whole country, average is 39.71 percentage of female teachers. That is less than 50. Okay. So this is how students will be doing the sums of what the step deviation method. Now let's also do some students where the h is not same. Okay, let's do that some. Yes, students, now comes the question, when we will be using which method. Okay, so you see that the result obtained by all the three method is same. Sometimes if you apply all the three methods to a same problem, sometimes the result will be have little slight variation or they'll be same. So choice of method to be used depends upon numerical values of xi and fi. How? If xi and fi are sufficiently small, xi and fi are sufficiently small, then direct method is appropriate choice. If xi, fi are numerically large, even if 15, 20, 25, like that also, we can go for assumed mean or even step deviation method. Now, if class sizes are unequal and xi is large numerically, you can apply both methods. It will be better if you apply assumed mean method, but you can also apply step deviation method. But then you might be wondering what will be h, because you need to multiply all the values of d I by h to get ui. So h, you cannot, h is different in all the class sizes. So h will be any suitable divisor of all the di's. What is di? Xi minus assumed mean. So any suitable divisor is there that you can take as h, 10, 20, 15, 5, 20, 30, whatever it is, and you will get the answer. Okay, students, wish you all the best. Don't forget to subscribe our channel Learn CBSE, and do share with your friends also. I wish you all the best. Have a nice time.